Hello everyone. So in accounting term, there comes a part which is called TDS, tax deducted at source. On Transact, we do have this feature. Let me show you how you can use it. From your left hand side, you need to go in payments module. So this is our payments module where all the invoices will get listed which you have created according to the transaction. Now, suppose this particular invoice, I need to deduct a TDS on it. What I will do, I will select this particular invoice. On your right hand side, very top, you will see an option of other action. I will click on split items. So once I will click on split items, it will ask for the split options. In the split option, by default, you will see a TDS option. So here, what percentage you need to deduct? I will select 7% as because by default the 7% gets selected. What I will do, I will just put the 7%. The amount will get calculated automatically. You can very well make the changes according to your requirement. So it depends upon your industry or your organization use case. Then I will click on save. As I will click on save, this particular TDS is split. So in the comment, you can see the TDS split have been done. Many of the times we go ahead and just want to change the TDS. So how you can do it? So here you can select this particular invoice. In right hand side, very top corner, click on other action. There is an option of revert split. So once I will click on revert split, this particular TDS entry will get reverted. Now, where exactly this particular TDS entry get reflected? So from the type where the counterparty is selected, please select. Here you will get TDS and other charges. Once I will select the TDS and other charges, please check. This particular TDS entry is displayed here. You can select this TDS and you can log the payment. Please fill all the details and then after this particular TDS payment will get logged and will get displayed in your ledger as well. So this is how the TDS entry is done and also the logging of payment for TDS made. I hope this video helped you out around TDS query. Have a good day ahead.